Osprey, the Seahawk's sky dance, a poetic journey in nature's rhythm. As dawn breaks over the wild, a silhouette slices through the morning mist. Look closely, and you'll see the majesty of the osprey, the Seahawk, the master of the air and sea. Wings spread wide, it commands attention and respect. Its eyes, piercing and intentional, sweep across the shimmering waters. The osprey is a seafarer's bird, a fisherman's friend. It has an uncanny knack for spotting a silver flicker beneath the water's surface, far beyond the capability of the human eye. Suddenly, it takes a dive. With the precision of an arrow, it pierces the water, snatching life beneath the waves. This is the dance of life and death, choreographed by nature herself, where the osprey is both the dancer and the conductor.